this is downtown. I believe that's the Lani Kai right there.
That hotel right there?
Yeah, big hotel. They have the top restaurant on top right there, where the thing is hanging. You see it? Oh, it's gone. I believe that's the Lani Kai, right? Yep, the Lani Kai. Look at the top of the restaurant. I used to eat up there.
I've never seen this place. It's funny looking. It's like,
It's been here for years and years and years. Look at that top.
bar area up
Yeah.
there. No rest up there and the bottom.
Look at this. This was, I think, gas station. Oh my gosh. This is towards downtown.
Oh my god, look at this in front of us.
This is new. They were just building this.
The beach looks so black.
This is the new building they were building. I believe Hooters was around here somewhere. Yeah, this is the new building, hotel they were building. This is where the pier was, right here. Right straight ahead. You see it?
Oh, this looks like it was a fun area, bro.
Yeah, look at this. This was where all the pier, the restaurants.
Oh, look at the
Yeah,
pier.
it's gone. And then the restaurants, there was like Dairy Queen here and everything. Everything is wiped out. Those used to be restaurants. Wow. That restaurant we went with my grandmother on her 80th birthday. Look at that. Completely destroyed. No, you're going to take a right.
Remember, there's that lot that I wanted to look in North Lines too, but I'm going to forget about that.
Look at all this.
Our licensed funeral directors are here. Since 1970, National Cremation has provided end-of-life services for those who require immediate care. Call us now or visit our website.
Wow, look at all the debris in the
We're
woods.
available 24 hours, 7 days a week.
Look at these cars. Car dealership lost a lot of their cars too, look. You know where we're going?
Oh. Let me see.
Should I put the address in so you can drive? Oh my god, the water is disgusting. Oh my gosh, look at what's going on up here. The boats that are on the side up here.
Starting route to Lehigh Acres. Proceed to San Carlos Boulevard, then turn right. In 1.6
Look at
miles,
this.
turn
Oh.
right onto Pine Ridge Road.
I think that's a restaurant. Is that a boat? Oh, look, the
Pine
boat
Ridge Road?
is. Look at the boat on top of the car.
What? Back to Jackson.
Boats on the streets. I've eaten at this restaurant in my grandmother Pinterest. Oh my gosh, look at all these boats on the roads. Look at all these boats. All pontoon boats, most of them. Look at this. Oh my gosh, the inside of that complex is completely destroyed.
This area is getting more inland, so it looks like things are calming down in this area, but still a lot of damage. That area, babe, was done. I can imagine what's that way that we drive.